Hi friends, welcome to Local to Global India. Today we are talking about GAIL Limited. GAIL India Limited was incorporated in August 1984 as a central public sector undertaking PSU under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas (MOP and LNG). The company was initially given the responsibility of construction, operation and maintenance of the Hazira-Vijaipur-Jagdishpur pipeline projects. It was one of the largest across-country natural gas pipeline project in the world. Originally, this 1800 kilometer long pipeline was built at a cost of rupees 1700 crores, and it laid the foundation for development of market for natural gas in India. The HVG pipeline contract valued at rupees 722.49 crore was signed on May 10, 1986 with the consortium led by MSP Capag of France and MS NKK and Tokyo Engineering of Japan as the member to construct the HVJ pipeline on the composite basis, including design, supply, handling, transportation, erection and commissioning, etc., of the compressor stations, terminals, cathodic protection system, and telecommunication and telesupervisor system. The pipe laying work of the Hazira Vijaypur section was completed by middle of June 1987 and energized by end of July 1987. The pipeline was commissioned within the 9 months of mobilization and 15 months from the signing of the contract. Shareholding pattern and share price for GAIL India Limited, Gas Authority India Limited are like this. Last traded price on NSE was 88.20. 52-week high was 148.75. 52-week low was 65.00. Lower price band ranges at 82.90. Upper price band ranges at 101.30. Shareholding summary for Gas Authority India Limited are like this. Promoters are holding 52.1%, MF holdings are 11.3%, FII's holdings are 15.6%, other institutions are 16.1% and public holdings are rest. Recent news for Gas Authority India Limited are like this. Even as people remain indoors in recent months to help stop the spread of the coronavirus, GAIL India Limited undertook a number of digital initiatives to raise awareness about increasing air pollution and measures to fight the pandemic, which reached 20 million Indians in this short time. This digital initiative mobilized collective societal efforts to improve the deteriorating air quality by encouraging sustainable and environment-friendly lifestyle habits such as planting trees, cycling and walking, carpooling, using public transport, conserving energy and using cleaner energy sources like natural gas for industries, CNG for automobiles and PNG for commercial uses. GAIL has been actively working towards educating the Indian masses against air pollution through their digital initiatives. Under these digital initiatives, events, short films and contests, ragiri, pledges, etc. were undertaken regarding problems caused due to air pollution to create awareness and change mindsets, and that would lead to a greener and cleaner tomorrow. Disclaimer from Local to Global India. Our channel's purpose is to promote homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills, and talent of people to global level. We are following the theme which our Prime Minister said that every Indian has to become vocal for their local, not only to buy local products but also to promote them proudly. Hence, we are making and publishing videos on homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills and talent of people to promote on global level. Also, if you want to advertise or promote any of your videos, products, talent, we, Local to Global India, will help you. You can mail us on local2globalindian@gmail.com. Please like, subscribe, share and comment for more videos. Thanks for taking time to read this. Local to Global India.